Hi, I'm David Elliott, Director of Music at the Basilica of St. Mary, and I'm very happy to be here at the console of our new Walker Technical rental organ. So this will be the instrument that the Basilica has for around the next 10 months or so while the Walker company designs our new custom organ. As you can see, the previous instrument is no longer here, so we have a very spacious choir loft. And there are many wonderful things about our new rental organ. To name just a few, for the organist, we now have 3 what we call manuals or keyboards rather than 2. And this beautiful collection of stops, we call them, which are essentially like instruments in the orchestra. So hopefully you'll hear a much wider color palette and dynamic range over the coming months. The new instruments, newer than this, that we'll be receiving hopefully around Easter of next year, will basically just have an even bigger color palette. There'll actually be a 4th keyboard, a 4th manual, and roughly around double, even maybe a little bit more of the stops or instruments available to the organist. One way to think about this is about maybe comparing it to spices in a spice drawer, let's say. So when you cook with more spices, if you're a good cook, then hopefully that turns into something really fantastic. And our hope is with the even larger and more colorful instrument that we'll receive in Easter, that will be of great benefits to the congregation as well. And once again, we want to thank our donors, Jim and Penny Haybyrne, for their great generosity in helping to support this project, and of course the support of our pastor, Father Hathaway. And we hope all of you enjoy our new organ.